guys, welcome back to my channel. In the latest episode of What in the Heck is Steve Getting to Do, my good friend picked up this little imported right-hand drive Mitsubishi. Just came in from Japan. Tiny little guy. Check that out. 350 kilograms. It's got some kind of snail power. That's fun. But anyway, this little thing is brand new to the US, so the only thing I have to do on Mission Impossible is to tow it down the street. What could possibly go wrong? I love this truck. It's one of my buddy's favorite work trucks. It can obviously tow the world, no question, no problem at all. So, always check your mirrors, folks. All right, away we go. And trucks like this, in case you don't know, it could idle pretty much anywhere towing a load this light, like no problem at all. So as long as I don't crash, this is not a difficult adventure. So don't crash. Don't crash, Steve. Just get to where you need to go down the street, and the mission will be complete with the little Mitsubishi. This nice long trip is almost over. Don't ask me to do anything fancy with it, and the world will be okay. All right. Thanks for watching.